If you are working on designing or creating something, the best way to communicate with other people or engineers is using computer-aided design. With this, you can portray your ideas in a 3D model and create a set of blueprints to help you visualize, document, and analyze your project. At Elements 3D, our team can handle any of your requirements to support you in the process of creating professional technical drawings using computer design software. This will be useful for patent applications, documentation, manufacturing process, CNC machining, additive manufacturing, and more. With our drafting and drawing services, we can help you to convert your ideas a reality, producing the right set of project deliverables. Contact us now to get a free quote or talk with one of our experts.